They bought something on another website violates their sense of privacy because it occurs without any social negotiation on their part. It can be a prediction that even though the information may be available to others and be safe in and of itself, Facebook's actions sidestepped or avoided the careful presentation of the self that young people enact in online media. The word even though, the words even though function as detour signs which denote that as Facebook's action avoided, so the blank should be filled with something positive which has no violation, which is safe and sound in nature. So all negative choices given as choice C and choice E can easily be eliminated. Soporific, soporific as choice A is totally irrelevant in this passage, which means tending to induce drowsiness or sleep, as the information may be available to others, so the information cannot be reticent or uncommunicative, so we can eliminate choice F and choice A as well. Innocuous means anything safe, and so according to the prediction and explanation with respect to the passage, choice B given as safe and choice D are the correct answer. The correct answers are choice B and choice D.